Yo guys, I have not been so annoyed in a long time. Let me just tell you what happened. So I filmed the whole video, and just when I was about to close the camera and take out the SD card and everything, I realized that my mic was not on. How annoying is this? Like, so annoying. Like, I've never been so annoyed in a long time, because I was just like, but why did I not check? Like, it's so, I felt so annoyed with myself, because I'm like, this is carelessness. And you know, like, my time was so limited, was so tight, because I was just like, okay, I have to go now. And boom, I realized that my mic was not on. Ew. Wow. Like, why? How did I do this? But anyway, the video is about how to make money from home as a stay-home mom, and how to make money online as a stay-home mom. And so I share with you 5 ways of making money online. And yeah, so I thought, like, you know what, this is a super exciting news, because yeah, so these are some of ways that I make money online. So I thought I'm gonna share with you these ways of making money, so that you can tag along and also understand that, right, how can I make money at home? Like, I just gave birth 3 months ago. My daughter, she's 3 months, Chizo. So that is why I put the channel as Mom at Home, because I am just gonna be like at home. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna start off again, so annoying, but anyway, we're gonna back to the 5 ways of making money online as a stay-home mom. So come along and let's do this together. The first one is this one that we're doing here is YouTube. There is a way that you can just wake up every morning and make a YouTube video, and that YouTube video, you just make another one the next day. Like, of course, you do have to pick a topic, and it's very important that you stay on the topic. Or if you don't want to pick a topic, pick something that you do on your daily life. Do something that that fits in with your lifestyle. So don't do something that you have to work hard on making the video. Do something that is very easy and very minimal, even with the editing and everything. I'm talking to a stay-home mom. Don't make things very difficult for yourself. Like, you know, it's do your videos in a way that you are able to get a video out within 30 minutes. So that's how I do my videos right now, because I'm like, listen, I don't have hours to spend on YouTube. So I want to be able to record a video within 30 minutes, and also I don't even take up to 30 minutes, to be honest, even 20 minutes. So I should be able to record a video within 30 minutes, and I should be able to edit the video within 30 minutes. I make it to be that minimal. Like, you grab your phone, put it, boom, 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 you are done, you know. So create your video. So there's this lady I always follow, and this lady, she is like, she's an older lady. Of course, I'm old too, but she's an older lady, and she was like, I think she had some kind of sickness, you know, where she had to go to hospital, and so she's had to stop her job. You know, I love the fact that it came to her mind that, you know what, I can wake up every morning and just make a 10 minutes video. She make it to be like very simple. She'll wake up every morning, she'll just sit, either she'll do some topic, and then she will sit and just talk to you and say, this is, like, you know, this is how I make some little money right now. So, and you know, I kind of, like, you know, I connected with her, because I was just like, you know, it's nice that she can actually think that, you know, I can just wake up and make 10 minutes video every day. And her channel really grew, like, within a few months. I remember last time I watched her video, she had like 25,000 subscribers, which that is a lot for someone who's just, like, you know, she was working with a stick, and she'll wake up every morning and she'll make a video. Love watching her video, because I felt like it was motivating, because she is an older lady, and more special, she's going through some sickness, and she felt like I can still make money from home, which she was doing it, and she had some of those join memberships, so people were helping her, and that was nice of you guys. So anyway, so that is making a YouTube channel and just put up a content. And now we move on, which that lead us to number 2. So number 2, or should say the next one, because I always forget when I do with the numbers. So the next one is now selling a course. So if you are selling a course, let's say your videos are about teaching something, and you can pile those videos and put them into a website where you are selling a course. Of course, that is if your videos are educating on something, not story time. I don't think you can on story times, but if you are teaching something, you can take your videos, put them together and make them into a course that you can sell it to people, because now you are teaching people a skill. Everybody have something that they are good at, something that you are passionate about. Talk about something that you're passionate about that you can teach people. It doesn't matter what it is. I mean, of course it does matter, but you want to just make sure that it's something that you can be able to teach, like you cannot get tired of it. That is why I say something that you take your passion and turn it into a business. So it's something that you love, you're passionate about, and you talk about it, so that way you are able to teach people about that particular thing. If it is like, for example, is opening a business, or is a cost of living in the country, or even if it's cooking, you can end up doing some cooking, and you can come up with a book, you can come up with digital product, you can come, there's so many ways of doing it. So yeah, so that is a digital product, right? And that's not just digital product when it comes to that. It's yes, it falls into digital product, but just on its own, like your videos, you can just make them into a course that you can sell to people, sell your knowledge to people, right? And you are teaching them something. So the next one is the digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is when you are selling a product that, for example, it's I'm doing, let's say I get this from Amazon sent me this, and I'm like, okay guys, I am gonna do unboxing, and I'm gonna do a review, and the link is gonna be down below. So if you click on it, I might get 2% or 3% or 5%, it depends on what how the company is doing it. Some companies are different, some they do 5%, some they do 3%, so it depends. So then if you click on the link, I might get that little amount, or maybe even if you decide to buy something else in few days later, I'll still get a little percentage. So that is the digital marketing. So you're marketing stuff for other companies, and you're getting a small percentage from that, and that can go higher and higher as you do it every day. So if, let's say, you are sitting down every day and you're doing digital marketing daily, 1 hour, you can imagine how much you'll make at the end of the month. So some of the program, you can join Amazon, you can join eBay, you can join so many of them, so many, like it depends on the product that you use. If you are someone who's into tech, if you are someone who's into food, you're someone, whatever that you are into, you can just more go into what you are into, so that you don't be all over the place. And then, so we are gonna move on to the next one. So the next one is sell something. Again, selling something is, you can easily buy something. I'm gonna use this again because this is just in front of me. So I could buy this with, for example, let's say 100 euro, and then I could sell it for 200 euros. Maybe it's no longer available, but I still have. So I would say, right, if you want to buy this, I have it is 200 euro. I bought it 100 euro and I'm selling it to you for 200 euros. So that's because I'm the only one that have the product right now, so I'm selling it to you for a higher price, because like one person have to make money, right? I'm sure even the way they come from, everybody have to make some money. So you are selling a product, or it could be anything. I'm just using that because it's what I have right in front of me. But you can sell a product, you can buy something and sell it, and that way you're making money. Or you can do a drop shipping, again, is still the same thing. The only is still digital, is still the same. You are getting a product and you are selling it, but you are selling it direct from the company this time. You are not the one having to buy the product and then sell it to other people. So if you are someone who doesn't like that hassle of having to, okay, now I have to package this and send it to the person who bought it, let me just then do the digital. If you are doing the digital drop shipping, then you are going to have to be like, they are going to do the everything. You are not doing, which of course that means less money for you also, right? So yeah, so that is sell something. It can be anything, just sell something, you know. It could be dresses, it could be anything that you are passionate about. Sell something, right? And now we move on to the next one. The next one is teaching English. So some countries are able to teach English online, some countries aren't able, I think. Yeah, so places that don't speak English, like countries like China and all these countries, that Asian countries, they usually do these jobs where they are looking for people who can teach English. So if you are someone who can teach English online, you can do that. So, or to countries that don't speak English. I live in a country where they speak English, Ireland, they speak English. So you can do that. I think you do need some type of certificate. You can do some research and find out what type of certificate do you need to be able to teach English from home. So if you have, let's say you have 1 hour a day out, let's say maybe yeah, just 1 hour a day, you can teach English within that 1 hour. Like, that's for me, I'm making this as an example because I gave myself like 1 hour. I'm like, within an hour I have to be able to just do whatever I need to do on social media, but after that I don't have more time, more than 1 hour. So we move on to the next one, which the next one is digital product. Now digital product is, again, you are selling on YouTube. That is why we have to build a community first, and then that community is when you are going to then sell your digital product. That's the same thing I mentioned with selling a course. So because you are selling your knowledge, you are selling what you know. Just think of anything that you are good at and either talk about it, and then after talking about it, you can then teach other people. So when you teach other people, you are making money. And in every video you make, you are not just only focusing on AdSense, you are making money by the people who are listening to you, who are getting the knowledge from you, and you don't have to do anything else. All what you have to do is to kind of like be more informed and have more knowledge on what you're talking about, and also you are able to give that information to other people and you get paid. You're sitting at home every morning, you're making videos and you are teaching other people on what you know, on your skill, on your passion, or something that you love, and you know, something that you know very well. You will not get tired of doing it. You will just always be like, I'm good to teach somebody, I'm ready. Every morning you can just 1 hour, I'm okay to, I can just, if it's not teaching someone one-on-one, you can just sit down and say, okay, today I'm going to make a video on this because this is what I'll find out today. So you're teaching people what you know, you're teaching people what you're passionate about, and so you are selling that to them, so that you're selling a digital product. Or it could be a cooking book. It could be anything when it comes to digital product. So those are the things that you can do as a stay-home mom to make money online. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'll be so grateful if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the thumbs up, and of course I will see you on my next video. So my Lord is calling, so I'll see you. Bye for now.